guys, Tamara Lenkowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and we got Benita here. See this beautiful tree? Benita. Our beautiful place, guys. This place looked amazing during Christmas. I'm like taking pictures, I miss it. Benita and my other customers, I got like customers that are family now. Anyway, guys, we're here because it's New Year's Eve and Benita's down
100 pounds.
100 pounds. We've been waiting to make a video for her to lose 100 pounds to make a video. And there's a lot more to Benita than just 100 pounds. First of all, she's not doing keto. This is not keto, even though I say everything's keto. She doesn't have a gallbladder. So when you don't have a gallbladder, you cannot do a high-fat diet. You will literally kill yourself because your body has no way of breaking down the fat. So she takes, what are those called? Digestive enzymes?
Digestive enzymes.
Because you can't get rid of all the fat, but you still do low fat. So she does digestive enzymes that break down fat, which you guys need to do. And what were you saying helped you get, yeah. That's what you do.
Your, what do you call them?
So this is a rapid weight loss smoothie. And all you do to this is you add a half a tray of almond cubes and a cup of almond milk. And the thing about this that triggers major weight loss, which I gotta make more. What makes it trigger weight loss is it's all protein and all fiber and no fat. And when you make it, it tastes exactly like a peanut butter chocolate smoothie.
They're awesome.
You cannot tell that it's not a peanut butter chocolate, and it's very filling.
Yep.
It's very filling because it's got a ton of protein in it. So what it is, it's basically, I'll give you the recipe if you want to make it or you can buy it from me. It's one of my peanut butter cake mixes, and then I think I added like a tablespoon of sweetie and a tablespoon of cocoa and a couple tablespoons of egg whites. And then inulin fiber. I don't remember how much I put in that, but it's full of fiber, it's full of protein, and it has no fat in it. And so what it does, especially when you drink it at night, when you're hungry, if you're the person that gets hungry and gets the munchies at night, this actually helps you burn calories through the night. You wake up and you go to the bathroom, like you will lose more weight if you eat this at night than you will if you don't eat anything at night. Because it makes you go to the bathroom in the morning, okay? And it's no calories, literally no calories. It's all protein, all fiber. You're talking about 25 grams of protein and about 15 grams of fiber in that thing right there, and no fat. Okay, guys?
And they're good.
These are the things we do, and you live on the mixes too.
Yep.
You do the and you don't eat meat, do you? She doesn't like to eat meat, so she's not done a meal kit. She's not a normal customer like in any way, but she just keeps dropping weight. And again, like I said, it's huge. And you're a diabetic, aren't you?
No, well, I'm borderline.
You were borderline diabetic.
I'm down quite a bit.
Okay. And she's got heart issues, guys.
AFib and SVT.
Yes. So I just want you guys to know, like, this is what we're here for. We're here, number one, to get you healthy. Number two, to help you lose weight without feeling like you're depriving yourself of anything, okay? This is what our meal kit looks like. Just to show you, you can have cake, and you can have chocolate, and coffee, and burgers, and wraps, and lose weight all day long, because at the end of the day, when you're eating all that, you're only eating about 1,000 calories a day and 12 net carbs. Okay, guys, that's why this works, because not only is my food like clean and low carb and no bad ingredients, but it's also low fat, so it's half the calories. My burgers are half the calories of a regular burger. My smoothies are less than half the calories of a regular smoothie. And I can go on and show you that in every way. We've got freezer food, grab and go keto. We've got mixes. If you're on a budget, you can just buy the mixes and make your own stuff. So you're talking less than $2 a meal, or about $2 a meal. So we've got a way to help every single person to make it so that you have no excuse, okay, guys? We love you. We want you to start the new year great. We were hoping we could we've got a whole new line of burgers, like 16 different burgers, and we are going to start selling gourmet coffee by the pound, as well as coffees and espressos and things. And we were hoping to be able to get it started right at the beginning of the new year. It might take us a week or two to get everything up and running, but I am so excited for what this new year has for us in the Davison Farmers Market. Just remember, we're open Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, 9 to 5, and, excuse me, all we care about is getting you healthy, and that's number one, and then the weight loss comes as you get healthy, guys. You want to have anything you want to say, sweetie? Or any advice you want to give everybody?
Advice, come in here, I've been doing this since the end of February, and in that time I probably lost 70 pounds. The other 30 was when I broke my leg 2.5 years ago, and then I was stuck, and I was up and down, yo-yoing, and when I met you, I mean, not
It's
only
just
have you
been
helped me
coming
with my weight loss, you've helped me in my life.
Oh, I love you.
You have.
Well, we're
You've been a
sisters in
blessing.
Christ, that's
Yeah.
the difference. Yeah, iron sharpening iron.
That's
So,
right.
yeah, guys, we're big on community. We love our community here, and we just try to bring people together. Okay, guys, we love you. Come visit us, healthytreatsmarket.com if you don't live nearby, and if you do live nearby, we're in the Davison Farmers Market, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, 9 to 5. Thanks for watching. God bless you.